Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Oktibbeha County is getting a new ambulance provider. Baptist Memorial Hospital selected Priority Ambulance to serve rural areas, replacing MedStat. That will begin December 1st. Baptist says response time was a key factor in making this decision. Meanwhile, Starkville plans to stick with its current provider, Pafford, inside the city limits. Marilyn Sproul says the city has had no complaints and sees no reason to change. Grab your hard hats. We're getting a look at TVA's new power plant near Caledonia, and it's a big one. It's about 25% done, and it is on track to open in May of 2028. Here's a look. Once finished, this $800 million plant will add 500 megawatts to the grid, which is enough to power about 250,000 homes. TVA's Benny Foshi says that the plant can quickly ramp up during bad weather or peak demand, helping prevent outages like the ones we saw during the ice storm that just keeps on giving. Local leaders say it's also a big draw for industry, saying companies want reliable power before they can commit to building here. Boaters and fishermen, listen up, y'all. A popular ramp in Lowndes County could be getting an upgrade. I know this one will make you smile if you're a fisherman. Lowndes County is chasing an $880,000 grant to repave the parking lot at Charles Younger Landing, one of the county's most popular spots to get on the water. This ramp gives you access to a part of the waterway you just can't reach from Leroy's Landing, making it a go-to for anglers and boaters alike. Supervisors agreed to put up $220,000 of their own to improve the county's odds of winning this grant. If it comes through, the upgraded lot would be ready by April 2029, meaning smoother parking for your truck and trailer every time you want to head out on the water. Thank you, everyone, for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great evening.